Dust bunnies on your Sony A7 IV sensor can ruin your perfectly composed shots, but cleaning it doesn't have to be a nerve-wracking ordeal. First, gather your arsenal of rocket blower, a soft bristled lens brush, lint-free microfiber cloths, and importantly, specialized sensor cleaning swabs and solution designed for camera sensors. Start with a gentle blast of air from your rocket blower all over the camera body, paying attention to crevices where dust loves to hide, ensuring no direct contact with the sensor. Next, use the soft bristled lens brush to dislodge any stubborn dust from the camera body, buttons, and around the lens mount. Now, the moment of truth, locate the sensor cleaning lever on your A7 IV and gently press down to lock the mirror up, exposing the sensor. With the sensor exposed, give it another controlled puff of air using your rocket blower, aiming from an angle to blow dust away from the sensor's surface. If air alone won't do the trick, it's time for Swab's unpackage a fresh, individually sealed sensor cleaning swab and dispense 1 or 2 drops of the specialized cleaning solution onto the tip. Gently, and with even pressure, swipe the swab once across the sensor from left to right. Flip the swab to the clean side, and swipe it back across the sensor from right to left. Never reuse a swab or retrace a dirty path. Lower the mirror lock, power off your camera, and visually inspect the sensor if any spakes remain. Repeat the swab process with a new swab. For the LCD screen and the exterior, a clean microfiber cloth will work wonders, but always ensure it's free of any grit. And there you have it, a sparkling clean Sony A7 IV, ready to capture your next masterpiece without the worrying of sensor dust.